Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk about something you probably didn't even consider having for your preps. Before we jump into that, I want to talk to you about asking a favor from you. If if you're a subscriber already, actually anybody, hit the thumbs up. Actually, everybody hit the thumbs up. Helps out YouTube's analytics. That's the thing you like the video. And if you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. But hit one or the other, okay? Because YouTube wants to know that it's someone actually watching it. Also, if you add a comment in there, like you liked it, you didn't like it, what it was you liked or didn't like about it, comment on the video. That helps out as well with YouTube. The other thing is, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscription button down below there, and then you hit it again, and a thing will pop up and see if you want to get how you want to get notified. If you want to receive notifications and stuff, click all, and it'll help you out in getting these videos all the time. All right. And the other thing is, I do have channel memberships, and down right about there should be a button that says join. And for, I got two levels. I got the 99-cent level. It's 99 cents a month, less than a cup of coffee. And you get member-only videos, community posts, and stuff just for the members only. And that's the prepper level. The Grayman level is $1.99, and you get everything from the prepper level, plus you get monthly training videos for the Grayman level only. All right. Okay, so let's get on with this video here. So, what is it that you probably never consider having in your preps? Spray paint. And some of you going like, what the heck are you talking about? Why would I want spray paint? Hey, you never can tell when you're going to need to touch something up and keep it from rusting. All right? Or say you have several different colored cans and the bright colors and stuff, and everything's gone to poop in a handbasket. It's Milwaukee. It's the end of the world as we know it. Grid's down, and you don't want to be seen so much. You can make camouflage patterns for your vehicle, whatever it is, whatever you need to do. Spray paint comes in handy for getting stuff done quick. All right. Now, there's also a whole bunch of different types of spray paint to consider as well. So you need to consider what's going to work best for you. There are ones that are specifically formulated for using on plastics. So if you've come across a bunch of translucent plastic bends and you want to use those as garden pots, paint the outside of it with the black, so it keeps the light from going, and then you paint colorful colors on it and stuff and make a colorful little planter. All right, just a thought. Think about it. What ways can you use spray paint to help out around your home and your homestead or your prepping fallback point? All right. Okay, so I'm just double checking my notes here. Also, there are some good primers out there, and you want to get a good primer for on metal, one that uses, let's not think fish oil, because that really fights the rust. Okay. Now, I know all of Krylon's auto primers used to have that in it, and they've got away from it. But if you can find a primer that has fish oil as one of the ingredients, that really gets in there and protects the metal from rust. Okay. All right. So before I take off, I've got some other information for you here. I'm going to put some links up above here. I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, which is my gardening and homesteading channel. And I have a bunch of preparedness-related videos over there in a playlist called Emergency Preparedness. Then I also have, I'm going to put up two playlists up here, the Prepping for Beginners playlist and the Prepping in Private playlist. And I'm putting these up here because if you have friends, relatives, co-workers, neighbors that have expressed a slight interest in getting prepared, but they're kind of leery about it because of the TV shows Doomsday Preppers and stuff like that, They don't want to get the stigma on it, but they feel nervous about what's going on in the world and they want to know what they can do to better their situation. Share those playlists with them, all right? Because you want them to get prepared so they have their own supplies, so they don't come after your supplies to take them from you and your family and leaving you out and about like this.